Coming in from the unfortunate fire news coming in straight from the national capital. Remember, there is an update in the Delhi fire tragedy. We are learning from the sources that unfortunately the death toll has now risen to 7. Remember, a fire broke out in a baby care center in East Delhi's Vivek Vihar on Saturday night, which was yesterday. Now from 6, we are learning that 7 children in fact have lost their lives in this unfortunate accident that transpired here in the national capital. The Delhi Fire Services in fact said that they received a call about a fire at around 11:32 p.m. last night at a baby care center in Vivek Vihar area in East Delhi, following which as many as 16 fire tenders were rushed to the site. According to the updates that we received last time, we knew that the fire has been doused, but the death toll unfortunately has now risen from 6 to 7 according to the latest reports. We have CNN News 18's Yash Goel back with us on the phone line over this particular story. Yash, the death toll has risen to 7 now. This is extremely unfortunate. Is the rescue operation still going on? Are there possibilities of even more lives being lost in this accident?
So basically, Sakshi, in the hospital, there were 12 newborn babies. In fact, out of that, one was already dead before the fire incident. So he died of another ailment. And in fact, later, all the 12 newborn babies who were there were rescued from the hospital. And in fact, then they were shifted to a different hospital. In fact, when the fire attendant reached at the spot, fire was controlled, and out of these babies, 6 were declared broad dead. So the total death toll in this matter remains at 7. In fact, now their bodies have been shifted to the GTB hospital for post-mortem. In fact, now the police has also said that appropriate legal action is being taken against the owner of the hospital, whose name is Naveen. In fact, he is a resident of Paschim Vihar, and in fact, like you mentioned, that this kind of incident was very harsh in nature, and that is why this fire took lives of 7 infants. Though one was already dead because of some other ailment, but other 6 had lost their lives. In fact, the rest are being treated at a hospital nearby, and their condition is said to be normal or stable as of now.
Right, Yash. Thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial updates in that sad and very shocking news piece coming in straight from the national capital. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story.